My name is ڈیرک افاہ, and I just came to China summer 2019 September. That was when I gained admission to the University of Electronic Science and Technology of China. That I've been offered to have a major in the Information and Communication Engineering. Actually, I'm a Ghanaian, and me being here is a very interesting times in China, because actually I just came to meet coronavirus season, and it's so not good for me, because I have not got a chance to really enjoy the beautiful moments in China and all those, because I'm always indoors just like that. Of course, campus is always cool because they organize some programs for us, like some New Year events that for we students that we just on campus to just have fun and all that. Even yesterday we had a New Year event that, you know, you just have some picking arts, you draw some characters, and then you can win some gifts and all that. So it just gives us some New Year gathering or something that helps us to just be happy on campus, you know, because we cannot go outside. It was great because my school has been doing well. It always try as much as possible to make us happy during this pandemic season. So always, anytime they organize a program, I just try my best to participate because it helps. It releases you from some tensions, and it gives you the notion that, of course, we can be happy even on campus. So it's great. Senior Kwaila.